Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the November brown sugar box. Here is the package, and this is the largest box and by far the heaviest box that I have received since I started my subscription. So I am very excited to see what is in this month's box. So here is the box. It's a big box. And in this month's box, all right, let me get it over here. Okay, so this is November, so of course it's focusing on the holidays. And here is the cover for this month. And it says 4 celebrities we're thankful for, Izzy and Liv staff recipes, holiday gift guides for him and her, and holiday travel tips. So, in this box, everything's packed in here. The box that I got in October didn't have any pink fluff in it, but no biggie. So the first thing here are plates. Looks like 2 plates. They're kind of like salad size plates or even dessert size plates. Probably would be really good portion control plates. And it says, "Loving you is life, food to my soul." Oh, loving you is like, that's not an F. So there's loving you is like food to my soul. It's kind of a taupey colored, and it looks like it has either abstract or kind of a tree print in there. The next item in the box, oh, these are going to come in so handy, are kitchen mitts. And they are really good color matches to the plates. And they look like they have sequins on them, but they are actually just little metallic colored dots. And they are branded to say Izzy and Liv on the tag. And they have included a left and a right glove, so a complete pair. The next item in the box are kitchen tools. So they each say something different on the handle. So the spatula here says, "Catch me on the flip side." The next one says, "Flick of the wrist." There's one that says, "Just beat it." There's one that's branded for Izzy and Liv here in the bluish purple color. There's one that says, "Watch me whip." And the last one says, "Stir it up." So they're all beautiful, brightly colored candles. And wash before use, hand wash only. They're made of bamboo. It's a 6-piece set, and they're not recommended for the dishwasher. So these are the kitchen utensils. Perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's or just every day in the kitchen. I wanted this book and I didn't purchase it, and now I'm glad that I did not, because it is in this month's box. So this is Carla Hall's Soul Food Cookbook, and it is, the recipes in here are designed for every day as well as celebrations. So it starts with like appetizers and then moves through your salads, your veggies, lots of veggies, prep instructions on some of your main dishes, like your breads and sandwiches. And it is a hardback edition, so I cannot wait to put all of this to good use. And the last item in this month's box, of course, is a shirt, and it's navy colored, and it has yellow or kind of mustard, which is actually my undergrad alma mater colors. And it says, in a world full of snacks, be soul food. So here we are with I love it. This was a really, really good box. These are, I'm not sure if I will use these or if I will actually put them on display in the kitchen. But they're bamboo tools, and that's what I use in my kitchen. So these may actually be put to actual cooking use. Portion control. I know I'm not the only one that struggles with this, but these are not microwave safe. They're only hand wash, and I like stuff that I can put in my dishwasher. And I'm loving these. I needed some new gloves. So that is this month's box, and I am sure that before the end of the 2018 holiday season, I will find a recipe here that I want to experiment with, like maybe the glorified grits souffle. That sounds like it would be great for breakfast or brunch on a Saturday or Sunday morning. So thank you so very much for watching. If you have not started your brown sugar box subscription, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, head over to their website and start your subscription. That way you don't miss out on any of the fantastic boxes. The boxes are curated for women of color. They come themed. All of the items that they ship are full-size items, and you just can't beat the price. If you're looking for $5 off of your first month's box, there is a referral link down in the bottom that saves you $5, but you can't go wrong. Full-size items, and every month there is a themed t-shirt, tank, or long sleeve shirt that is absolutely perfectly curated for the theme for that month's box. So you can't go wrong with it. Until next time, take care.